Disperse as a facial feature. Flat monocular appearance in the face. Remember, at the end of the year, setting makeup is amazing, but it looks old and dirty. Invalid makeup. Then you really must come this time. Practice this. Torn. I really don't eat mustard at all. Whether it's a party date, eat a beautiful meal and stay behind for any occasion. How about this makeup today? Is it gorgeous and exquisite in capital letters? End of a certain year. Christmas, New Year's Eve. We just need such a bag of makeup. The makeup style refers to the photo of Mr. Hanzi. Fake it. I think many wives are asking for tutorials below, so I decided to take it apart today. Pig, I also found a bias. Gorgeous color but not exaggerated type. So it's both, let's play. Daily and photogenic needs. Such a very transparent black-gray system. Below is a little bit of this. Small gray highlights, just to make your eyes full of tears. Like glass beads. Both have the effect of magnifying the eyes I really like. I usually want a little atmosphere. This is definitely my first choice. Really temperamental, super good looking. What are the key points of daily photogenic makeup? First of all, the first point is very clear, very flawless. White water light muscle. Secondly, the whole face is large. Very bright and clean orange-pink eyebrow eye makeup. The focus is on a hairy flu. He still needs a lot of work on this base makeup. I still bought the all-round disc here. Use this pink-orange first. Usually this kind of transfer. He will make color concealer very moist, so we even out a little bit on the arm. Find this place where we have the heaviest dark circles. Click directly to take a picture. Just use your finger directly. If you are particularly afraid of card fans, simply cover it again with a small brush. The effect is that it belongs to daily life and has no pressure. But if you want to be particularly flawless, we'll just use this fishmeal on the back of our hands. Push this position. Let's double stack it. This dullness in the end of the eye. Double eyelid this color. Just sink to this level. Look at this black eye. Did it disappear? Homeopathy turns all the areas of the face blue. Bring it all to him. Before foundation, we mainly deal with this kind of foundation. Large area of color. What color is it? This obvious redness of the cheeks and nose. We use this skin green. Just click and poke it directly. I always thought this green concealer from GC's house. The pink tone is so good. Because I've used it a lot in green tones before, I always feel a little gray on my face. But this green, he can just make your color very clean. The nose is gently brushed down here. This obvious red acne. We can also cover him a little bit. Change this color to him first. Steps to teach color. The amount on the face must be very, very thin. There is no trace of concealer in this one. But the overall skin tone, it will become this clean and even. At this level, we can apply foundation. Choose one of these partial hydration jackets. The gloss must be stronger. It starts with the face makeup with a foundation brush. Apply to the side of the face. If you use a brush to apply base makeup, it will save foundation. And it is spread out more evenly and more skin-friendly. Then press him vertically with a puff to pat it open. Let's pat the side of the face first. Finally, gently take this one right now. Scattered location. I'll try my best to keep this base makeup today very clean. So today let's use the blush front. Its blush is also a big soul. My father and teacher have a lot of videos. It's basically layered on top of each other. To make this very beautiful gradual change, layering, I plan to use these two colors directly today. Use this less saturated milk powder first. To base, this is a slightly brighter honey orange. It's all made of double-tone powder like this. What about its texture? It will feel smudged on the skin. You can see that when you type it out, your skin looks super clean. Use a brush to get the powder first. The upper eye is on the inside of our zygomatic bone, below the outer corner of the eye here. Slowly open towards the middle point. The base range can be slightly larger. Wow, this fleece is really soothing. This is where we get the whole face. It's all like this. Powder spray. Change another small brush. Dip the 09 small area acne stack. Where we first wrote. A little under our AGO saliva here. Transition. We must synchronize the AGO saliva for this color. And the entire upper eyelid. Nose, head, nose, and silhouette should be brought here. The low lip peak. This is what makes us full face. The color of the entire facial features is uniform. How about typing out the blush? It's layered, just like a makeup artist, the kind that is carefully crafted. The photo is really gorgeous and exquisite. Next, we rely on brightening. Pull this contrast between the face and the side of the face. Then deal with this tear furrow. Nasolabial folds. Is the whole face pink? So I use this pink-white one. If you don't like the feeling of being too pink, it is also possible to use this skin white directly. Find this tear ditch. The depression at the moment is precisely laid on it. Nasolabial folds. There's a sunken note base too. Go to the mouth to remove yellow gas. And then the tip of our nose. Bridge of the nose. Eyebrow triangle. Brow root. If the nodule area is sunken. You can also mention a little bit here. Just shoot it accurately in a small range. Okay, the edges will transition with our blush. Mention it this way. Put the brightness in our face and the brightness area of our face. Separate and the blush will be cleaner too. It won't feel as flat as it does here. Continue to dip the small brush. Precise electrical poking into this depression. Fill it in for him little by little. That's it. After the face is flat, you see it will actually make the whole makeup look cleaner. The skin texture is also. It will appear more transparent. So the first step to effective makeup. It definitely solves our facial makeup flatness. If the makeup is dirty, this is basically the reason. Sticky head setting or just pressed in our faces. This nasolabial folds are reflective here like eyelids. The oily part of the forehead is heavier. Face side. This very beautiful gloss, still keep it for him. Blush and face side stay here. Bye, let's transition with grooming color. Small some lines can also make him clearer. Grooming is mainly about. The nose is pulled in a little bit here. I didn't set my face and nose when I set my makeup just now. So here I can use a paste-like facelift. What if you set your makeup? It is recommended to use a powdered facelift. Double cheek line, a pair here and inward here. Look at the roots of my mountain, there is no repair here that is too thin. The thinner the roots, the bigger our noses will appear. Use apricot toned eyebrow cream first for your eyebrows. Comb all your brows up for it. Machete eyebrow pencil supplements brow and end of brow hair flu. Go try eyebrows. Pen diagonally up. Eyebrow peak and lower eyebrow pull line. Use a water eyebrow pencil with a dark color in the middle. Give it a three-dimensional feel. This one is more wild. Hair flu eyebrows eye makeup. It's the more gorgeous one. Pink gold or use this moon shape. This is meat pink with a little bit in it. You see this golden glitter. I still use my fingers directly. Just lay it tiled. The whole AGO saliva is covered. Then use this chocolate brown. Spread out at the back half of our eyes and smudge forward here. Walk a little bit towards our eye socket. Again, a very narrow overlap. Here at the root of our eyelashes. From top to bottom is shallow to deep. Shallow to deep from front to back. It's also this color. From the end of the eye to the eyeball. Draw a semi-arc here in the middle. Change the summer solstice brush and dip it for the second time. The solstice is more present. Agiosal, I will also use this color, but be sure to smooth it out a little bit. This color rendering is still quite high. It is also a certain point of the device directly under the pupil. The front is put away. The colors at the back are directly spread out. It is still a double eyelid sticker to adjust the eye shape. Open the end of our eyes. Against the root of the eyelashes. Push up. Brush the root of the eyelash curler with eyelash styling. After the eyelashes are up, our inner eyelids are turned out. It is better to fill in our inner eyeliner at this time. Eye opening. It follows the arc of our upper eyeliner. Check down a small day. Just go down a little bit and take it back, because the eyeliner is still from us. Outside the pupil, pull back. Connect it from the last eyelash at the end of the eye. Fill the inside. Draw this tail is relatively stiff. Let's just draw the little blade on the other side. Pull back. Before he dries the edge of the eyeliner, can be used to smudge. Let his overall line feel not too obvious. Adjust the arc of the lower limb again. Let him connect with our eyeliner. This is the effect after pasting the eyelashes. The only difficulty with this eye makeup is, it's this eyelash. The main purpose is to post this image. Handcrafted plush feel. The upper eyelashes are primed with this brown grass powder. Add a layer of this boiled water with a little diagonal flying feeling. I think the effect of posting this is really similar. Now, and then we end up folding the champagne-colored one on top of the eye. Sparkling Agio saliva, a little eye makeup in the middle. A little more fleece, a more gorgeous broken flash. I see the end. Every eye makeup looks like this. Isn't it super gorgeous? It's 3 times bigger. Really, no matter how you look at it. 360 degrees are super exquisite, but we still have to put our lips first. Cover it with color. Put it on first. Try hooking the corners of the lips up on both sides. Repurchase from upper lip. The lower lip is just to make it fuller. This color is so natural with lip liner. No smudging required. Nude mirror lip glaze. Also base. The red tone is a little heavier, superimposed on the inside of the upper and lower lips. Finally, you can use powdered trimming. Translate our second. Is it equivalent to a setting? This blush color on this nose. You can stack it up a little bit. Then I found that his tables were messed up. It doesn't seem to be together here. Mole spot. Okay, then this makeup is done. Take a closer look at this detail. It's super gorgeous, super dodgy kind.